Okay, starting Visual Studio. So this is how you open it up. You go to, after you've installed it, you go to, just like any other program, you go to Programs, All Programs. You find this program, and you click. After a few moments, Visual Studio 2012 should open with the Start page. So this is the Start page, shown in the central window. So this I guess, is the Start page. As shown, there are shortcuts for project creation and project opening here. So I guess new project and open a project and so on. Of course, you can do that from up here as well. One way to make a new project is by clicking the new project shortcut here. And shortcuts for opening your recent projects can also be useful. Creating a new project, you can do it from here. Instead, let's create a new project, a new Visual Basic project using the VS menu. So first open the here menu, File tab here, and click New Project. The New Project dialog will appear. You'll get something like this, and use the New Project dialog to set the new project's type and name. So select Visual Basic templates here. So that's what we need to do for our programming. By the way, don't use, there's some other ones down here like C#, I think. We don't want to do that. We're not learning C#. So we don't want to do something that has features for C# in it. We want something that will help us with Visual Basic. So use this. Select the Visual Basic templates from the left-hand window. Then select Windows Forms application as our project type. So there's some other types of things you can do here, but what we want to do is the first one, Windows Forms application. Choose a name and location to store your project. Keep the default, for now, keep the default project name called Windows Application 1, so you can just leave it like that for the time being. Of course, when you do homework, you don't want to do it that way. You want to give it an actual name that's related to the homework that you're doing, and the location. Later, copy to your USB drive or upload it to your cloud. And finally, make sure Create Directory for Solution is checked. So that's over here. So you want to have a separate directory for your program or for your solution. And then you can click OK. Once you do that, you'll get something like this to appear. And this is where you're going